All right, this next update may not seem like a big deal, but if you've used Classroom, this is going to be very, very helpful. And if you haven't used Google Classroom, this is something that you're probably just going to use because it's very, very helpful. This is something that you've been able to do for years with blogs and on Twitter and social media. And the idea or the simple thing is it's adding a sticky. And what a sticky is basically being able to post something to the top of a website or a browser or whatever your social media platform is. Now, the way Google Classroom works is in the past, it's always put the newest post or the newest update at the top, and everything is then organized by the date of when it was posted. What you're able to do now is if you want to add something to the top and make it stay there, you can do that. And so once you're in your Google Classroom and you're in the class that you want, what you will do is you will click the item that's in the stream. And so right now we're in the stream. I've just got a couple things, but when this is all said and done, this is just going to keep compiling. It's going to get bigger and bigger. But there might be times where I want to post, something back up to the top again. And so what you do is you click the three dots off to the side of the post that you've created. In this case, I want to make this pre-PD question baseline questionnaire. I want that to be on the top and not below this assignment and the other things that are soon to be popping up in here as I get ready for the in-service. So I'm going to choose this, and you can edit. And we've already seen this before where you can go through and you can edit anything that's in the post that you've made. You can completely delete it and get it out of there, which I've done several times in the other videos showing things that don't need to be here. Or you can choose move to top. And when you move the post to the top of the stream, anybody in the class does get a notification by email if the notifications are set up for that. So I'm not going to click this yet because as teachers sign into this, I don't want to bombard their email. Well, maybe I will this one time, then I'll just be cautious from here on out. So I'm going to click move to top, and this is going to move this to the very, very top to just get it up there. So let's go ahead and do that. You can see, boom, there it is. Now it's to the top. And I apologize to those that are in the class and get a notification for that, but I want to be able to show that for the sake of this video. So just another helpful thing, especially if there's a video or a link or something that you reference and you need students to go back to it, you can just bump that back up. Everybody gets notified, and you can bring some emphasis to that update. Simple, but yet helpful and effective.